Shredding cheese doesn't have to be a struggle. Meet the Cambom Rotary Cheese Grater, a kitchen essential that makes grating effortless. No more tiring hand graters or dangerous knives. Just turn the handle, and this tool does the work for you. It comes with 3 sharp, interchangeable blades: a coarse shredding blade, a fine shredding blade, and a slicing blade. Whether you need thick, fine, or thin slices, this grater is ready to deliver. And the best part? You can shred an entire pound of cheese in just 30 seconds. Fast, efficient, and completely safe. Your fingers never touch the sharp edges. This isn't just any grater. Cambom designed it with safety and durability in mind. The body is made from food-grade, BPA-free plastic, ensuring it's completely safe for your family. The stainless steel blades are tough, rust-resistant, and built to last, giving you smooth shredding every time. And it's not just for cheese. Use it for cheddar, mozzarella, Parmesan, or Romano, but don't stop there. Slice up fresh cucumbers, carrots, and radishes. Grate chocolate for desserts or almonds and peanuts for baking. Whether you're making a salad, a pasta dish, or even a sweet treat, this grater has you covered. Stability matters in the kitchen, and the Cambom grater is built to stay put. Its powerful suction base locks onto smooth surfaces like glass, marble, or polished countertops. No slipping, no sliding. Just steady, controlled grating every time. Whether you're prepping a quick snack or cooking for a crowd, this tool stays in place so you can work with confidence. And with the easy hand crank design, you can shred with minimal effort. Even kids or seniors can use it without strain. When you're done, cleanup is a breeze. Every part is dishwasher safe. Just place it on the top rack. Prefer hand washing? No problem. It rinses off easily with warm water and the included cleaning brush. And when it's time to store, simply disassemble the parts and tuck them away in a drawer. No bulky storage, no mess. A compact design that saves space while delivering big results. The Cambom Rotary Cheese Grater isn't just a tool, it's a game changer for your kitchen. Safe, sturdy, and incredibly versatile. If you're tired of struggling with traditional graters, it's time to upgrade. Make meal prep faster, easier, and safer. Get yours today and experience the difference.